This video we'll be talking about the RiseHero token. It's a very interesting token. There's so much people starting to play it right now. There's a huge increase in holders, social signals, active users, transfer count, all of that. It's very interesting. We'll go over it within the video. We'll do a review on the token, most of the things that you should know about. We'll check them out within the video. So if you're interested in the RiseHero token review, all we gotta do is hit the like button and watch the video until the end. It's that simple. And if you want to learn about the hottest news tokens first, guys, I upload a lot of these videos to try to rank them higher. I have a whole team helping me out with the optimization thumbnails for your benefit. Hit the subscribe button. Come on, man, let's talk about the RiseHero token. Legendary hero metaverse NFT games is rising because of you. Can you buy Rise right now? Well, it seems you can. We'll check out the holders activity and a few things about it. But RiseHero ecosystems, the stars have fallen, everything in chaos and depression. It's time for someone to step up and lead the way to dawn. This hero metaverse is waiting for you. A legendary hero metaverse NFT game is rising because of you. RiseHero is a decentralized NFT game for hero battles. Players can keep fighting and getting stronger in the game. Basically, seems like an MMO. How cool is that? Also rewarding by digging and trading. Really cool. Digging might be something like youth farming. And we've seen that with NFT power and hash rate and so on other games similar to it. Your rise is the rise of a heroic world. So there's going to be NFT collection, NFT youth farming, marketplace. I'm very interested in how it will work. Will there be a lot of fees? Because my understanding of these games is sometimes the token might just go down, and that's not that bad in games like this. And I'll tell you why. Even if the token keeps going down, the NFT themselves can go up. This is what I like about play to earn games. So you gotta be very careful and understand the white paper very carefully, and do your own homework even after actually starting to play it. Building mechanics, PVM mechanics, renting king challenge. The heroes look really cool. The website is kind of League of Legends like. They have their information at the bottom. KYC audit, you can check those out and click on the check them out and analyze the website yourself as well. But what I do encourage you to do is check everything for yourself as well after watching the video. But I really like the token. Just want to get this video as soon as possible and tell you guys about it. I think you should be checking it out. I think it's a really cool token. I have it to my play to earn token games that I have right now. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like it? Do you dislike the deep token and the project? And I want to see you next video. Bye.